I promise I am not naked. I am wearing a tube top. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be trying out some products that Influencer and Smashbox sent me in the mail. That includes the Smashbox Oil and Shine Control Primer and their new weightless setting spray. And we're also going to be trying out the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. So if you want to see how those products work out for me, keep on watching. Coffee. Have you guys ever just like woken up with the worst headache in the world? Because today is one of those days. The show must go on. Okay, so I did get my first PR package in the mail. Smashbox and Influencer, this company right here, partnered to send me their new Oil and Shine Control Primer as well as weightless setting spray. So I'm super excited to try these out for you guys on my channel. And we also bought the new Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So this is the package. Oh my god. Okay, let's go ahead and open her up. So this is what it looks like inside. Take this out of the way. There's the first look at the beautiful Smashbox products. Yes. Okay, I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and start with the primer. I'm just going to give you guys like a little rundown. We're going to go ahead and start with the Photo Finish Oil and Shine Control Primer. It says here, this primer is a transformative phase primer that controls oil and shine throughout the day with a silky cloud-like matte finish to help makeup look better longer. It also says it is weightless. Time release technology controls oil for 12 hours, infused with healthy skin ingredients like witch hazel, salicylic acid, and zinc. Oil-free, non-greasy, for combination to oily skin. Hello, that's me. Use it alone or with makeup to help your look stay matte longer. And it's also cruelty-free, so that's cool. Let's go ahead and give you the rundown on the setting spray as well. So this is what it looks like right here. Dang, that is heavy. Woo. I'm so excited to get another setting spray because I only have two currently. It says, Photo Finish Setting Spray Weightless. A weightless setting spray that makes makeup transfer proof and improves the wear for up to 16 hours with a comfortable, non-sticky, non-greasy feel. Makes makeup transfer proof. Instantly sets makeup for all day wear. Non-sticky and non-greasy for all skin types. Dermatologist tested. Cruelty-free and vegan. So let's go ahead and put our hair back. Hey, I'm sure that looks great, but who cares, right? Man, my hair looks like dog shit today. Oh, speaking of dog shit, y'all want to hear something fucked up? I slept in a little late today because I was up late fucking around, I guess. And anyways, so I slept in a little late today. And I went to go take Leia outside, and we live in an apartment, and there's these two older people that live like on the bottom floor, like on the other side of the building, and I'm literally the only person in this building that has a dog. So anyways, I go take her out because she really had to go. It was like 10:30, and she normally goes outside at like 7 o'clock in the morning or 8 o'clock in the morning. So like, I mean, she really had to go. And I took her outside, and we get down there and she immediately just starts pooping like right in these people's yards. And I didn't have a bag on me. I had to walk to go get a bag, and I was going to come back and pick up the shit and take it back to the dumpster or whatever. And before I could even go get a bag, this lady comes outside and she's like, "Hey lady, you got to pick up that dog shit." And I'm like, "Yes, I know. I need to go get a bag first." And she kept yelling at me, "Well, make sure you pick it up." And I was like, "Yes, I know. I'm going to go get a bag and then I'll be back to pick it up." And she was like, "Well, kids walk through here." I'm like, "I know that. I always pick up her shit, okay? Like, give me a freaking chance. Let me go get a bag and I'll come back and pick it up." I wanted to roundhouse kick her ass so bad. You don't want to assault an old lady, you know? Today is not the day, I decided. So that's how my day started. Oh, and by the way, Leia got a new haircut. Looks terrible, but don't tell her I said that because she's kind of self-conscious about it. But don't make fun of her, okay? Just promise me you won't make fun of her. It'll grow back. It's just hair. She's still cute. We still love her. Just don't make fun of her, okay? Leia. Hi. Hold on. Look. Oh, hello. Wait, come back. Don't leave. Leia. What's the matter, baby girl? So anyways, guys, that's her haircut. Yeah, it's really, really short. I literally went in there to drop her off and I was like, don't shave her. Please don't shave her. And the girl that took her from me was like, okay, I'll make sure to tell him not to shave her. And I was like, wait, you're not doing her hair? So when I go pick her up 5 hours later, this lady that comes out was like, oh, she said to shave her. I'm like, no, I said don't shave her. So it was a little bit of a miscommunication. But it's all good. Her hair will grow back. Dealing with the hairballs around this apartment is nothing. I mean, I know she's more comfortable with the short hair, but dude, like... Without further ado, let's get into testing these products. Okay, first of all, I really like the packaging. Normally, like, the inside of a box is just, you know, like a plain box, you know? But it's red. How cool is that? That's pretty neat. Studio tip. Try it alone or just with concealer for a no makeup look. I should have done that in my last video. What? Oh, girl. Okay, Smashbox, I see you. We're gonna do that for just now. Ooh, it's not silicone. Ooh, I love the way this feels, guys. Dang, it doesn't smell weird. It smells like any other face primer. Dude, I love this. It's so hydrating, but at the same time, you can definitely tell it's matte. Wow, it feels so good. It's like seriously velvety, but it's not like silicone-y. Because like I'm not really a huge fan of silicone-based primers. Like I have another e.l.f. primer, not the Poreless Putty primer, but I have another e.l.f. primer. It is a poreless primer, but it's in like a little pump tube and it's super silicone-y and I don't like the feel of it. But this is like, it feels so good. Like I love this. This is nice. Before I give you guys my final opinion, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my makeup so we can also test this out. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply some foundation. We're just gonna use what I normally use, and that's the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation, only because I wanna see how it acts in comparison to what I normally do. I'm sure it looks like I'm naked right now because it's like from here up, so. Ooh, I love this finish. Like, girl, this finish is everything. No joke. Like, I'm not saying this because I got it for free. Like, I told you guys I was gonna give you my honest opinions, and I like the way that this is setting. Like, it looks great, dude. It feels awesome. We might have a new front runner on our hands, guys. It's not settling into creases. Like it's creating a really nice smooth layer all over the face, which is awesome. Sometimes primers have a tendency to like sink in or slide around or do something weird, but this one, not this one, girl. And it really evened out my lines on my forehead, which is awesome because I struggle with that. And like I said, these are just things that I've noticed right off the bat. Like, I'm obviously going to wear this for a full day and see how it holds up. And I'll definitely let you guys know. But like for now, she is it. I'm excited to see how it wears throughout the day. And I will definitely let you guys know. So for now, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and then we're gonna test out the setting spray. I'm really excited to try this. I've always wanted to purchase this mascara. It came out quite a few months ago, but better late than never. Ooh! So taking it out of the packaging, this is what it looks like. It is super heavy. Like, it is pretty darn heavy. As you can see, I already have my makeup done. I did like a little cut crease moment today. Ooh. All right, y'all ready? First complaint, the wand is a little big, so it's getting mascara all over my eyelid, which sucks because I worked really hard on this cut crease. Although it is very, very dark, which I like, so that's a good thing. Don't know how this is gonna play out with the bottom lashes because it's really easy for me to mess it up normally. Okay, so I do like this mascara. This is just one coat, so I will go back and put another coat on for you guys just to see how it builds up. Okay, so this is like the perfect wand for the bottom lashes. I like it because it doesn't make a huge mess, but it gets all the bottom lashes in one go. So that's kind of nice. This wand may be a little bit too big for most people. I know it is for me. But it's okay, like I like it. I am not dogging it. But let me just tell you, this mascara is $25, so just so you know. So that's the second coat. Like, it's okay. I mean, to be honest with you, I could probably get the same effect if I layered a couple drugstore mascaras. But, you know, just because it's like one product, I guess that's good. Not that like you have to use multiple products or anything, so that's kind of nice. Yeah, I like it. I do like this makeup look. I think it looks really nice even without false lashes, but we are going to go ahead and apply the false lashes just to see how this mascara blends into those false lashes. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. All right, so I've got my lashes on and my lipstick done, and we are going to now try out the setting spray. By the way, I do like this mascara. I feel like it blended my eyelashes in perfectly. Can you see my lashes? Nope. I like it. I really like it. By the way, what I used for my lips today is ColourPop Times Square with a little bit of butter in the center. I really, really like this combo. I think it looks nice. Anyways, we are going to go ahead and try out the new Smashbox setting spray. Woo! All right, so we're gonna give it a good shake. Oh, it smells good. All right, ready? Ooh, girl. It comes out really, really fast, and it's kind of harsh when you first like squirt it out of the bottle, but like it dries down pretty fast. Better give it another go just in case. Oh yeah. But yeah, like I said, we are going to wear this makeup throughout the day. So we'll see how it wears. I will be back with my final thoughts in a little bit.
You know that. Now, if you put a hot dog in a flashlight, nothing happens.
Hey guys, I am back. It is about 2:30. I have had this makeup on for about 3-4 hours now, almost 4 hours. So I think it looks good. I honestly think it's stayed in place. I have been cleaning all morning or all afternoon, so there has been reason for it to come off. I have changed my clothes, so I, have touched some stuff, with my face, and it does say it's transfer proof, and girl, it ain't coming off. So all in all, I think this primer and setting spray is definitely worth purchasing. The mascara I do like. I think it blends into my lashes really nicely. It hasn't flaked off. It hasn't like chunked off or anything. So all in all, I think these products are worth purchasing. So just because I got them for free does not mean that I am going to give you a biased review. I truly do think these products are worth it. So yeah, thank you to Influencer and Smashbox for sending me these awesome products. I will definitely be using them in future videos and posts on Instagram. So thank you guys so much. If you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel while you're here, and leave me a comment down below if there's products that you guys want me to try out, or makeup challenges you want me to do, or whatever you guys want to see. So yeah, other than that, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys so much. Oh my god, again? Dude. So excited to try this. Woo! Oops. What are you doing? I love you. You show everyone your new haircut. Oh, guys, she got her haircut like off, and I don't know if she likes it or not, but she's still cute. He's still cute.